Good day everyone. How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and also stay healthy and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So in this video, I would like to show you how to know your Google account storage space left. So as we know guys that Google accounts also allows you to save or storage amount of data such as the photo or document and etc. And however, it also has the limitation to storage the stuff. And if you would like to know how to find it out and what can I what the section I need to let's say delete to make this storage more spacious. Don't worry guys, if you find that concern then this video is for you. So the first step, make sure that you have already logged in into your Google account. And this is the log of my, let's say I started from my inbox of my email here. And you will go into the settings here, upper or beside the trigemini here. Click setting and see all settings. And after that, you can scroll down here and you finally see the storage left here. If you can, as you can see here, there are 16% of 15 gigabytes that already used. And how can I manage that? It is very simple. You can just click it or give it a click tab. It will also the same thing will direct you into the another tab or into another tab. Yeah. But also actually you can open it by the scroll down your email here and this is the look. You can actually find it the same. I will click it and this is the let's say the offering from the Google if you would like to purchase the to extend the Google storage. And if you would like to keep to the direction to know the detail what thing that already use my storage, you can click see all plans. And you can go into the storage on the left section. And this is the detail. As you can see here, that the Google photo on the yellow mark that already use the most of my Google storage. And how can I, let's say, delete some stuff in it? So make this Google Space more spacious and can be save more data. It is pretty simple. You can just click this button and it will also drag you into the another tab and there you go. This is the look if you would like to let's say delete or see what video, what photo that take a lot of space of your Google storage. Let's say I will delete this video. I will just click it or delete it and move to the trash. And if you would like to delete it permanently, you can go into you can the see the left section and scroll down a little bit and click trash. And after that you can mark this data and delete permanently. And this is the confirmation before you delete it permanently that this item interest don't count towards your Google account storage. Permanently delete item. If you confirm it, then just click delete. There you go. There will no more the data to spend or use your Google storage. That's all guys. Keep trying to practice and explore more. If you find this video helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. And if you have any requests or feedback for this video, please don't be hesitant and don't forget to put it on the comment down below. I would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye bye.